Hello geek and repair fan. Welcome to another tutorial from troniccenter.com. Today we will show you how to replace audio board jack on 12-inch MacBook A1534 Retina display. Get your tool ready. Let's begin. Open the bottom case screws. Use your spudger to open the bottom cases and pull it up. For this model, open the bottom case and pull it 45-degree angle to avoid raping and breaking the cable, which is IPD flex cable. Open the tip connector and disconnect the cable. After that, we have access to audio board jack. Open both the screws. Open the connector tip. Take the cable out, audio cable. Open the other connector tip and take the audio jack out and disconnect it from the cable. Replace the new one. Before replacing, connect the cable, the small cable on the side. Tighten up the screws. Connect the cable, iBoard cable, audio cable. After connecting, do not forget to close the tip, the connector tip. Return the bottom case in the same position and keep it on 45-degree angle to connect the IPD flex cable. Close the tip, connector tip. Turn the bottom case in the same position and close it. Now you can tighten up all the bottom case screws, and after tightening up and closing all the bottom case screws, your laptop is ready to turn on and start again. For your next repair project, please visit us at www.troniccenter.com to find all tools and original pre-owned part for your repair project. We hope you enjoyed this tech episode. Please do not forget, like, share, and subscribe for more upcoming tech videos. Thank you.